In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tables in Notion. We're going to walk through a simple, reliable way to get a clean table set up in Notion, starting from a blank page and ending with a ready-to-use database in the table view. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along in real time. Begin by creating a new page. In Notion, that's your blank canvas. You can click the New Page option or the plus button in the sidebar. Either one opens a fresh page where you'll build your table. When the page opens, you'll see a title field at the top and a blinking cursor in the body area below. If your workspace is organized into sections, don't worry, creating a page here doesn't move or change anything else. It simply gives you a dedicated space for your table. Next, give your page a name. Type a clear, descriptive title right at the top. A good name makes your workspace easier to search and helps teammates quickly understand what this table is for. Think in terms of purpose, like client tracker, content calendar, or inventory overview. If you change your mind later, you can always rename it, but setting a meaningful title now will save you time. Now place your cursor in the body of the page on a blank line. Type the / character, then start typing the word table. The / command is Notion's quick action menu. It brings up a searchable list of blocks and database options. As you type, you'll see results filter down to everything related to tables. If nothing appears, make sure your cursor is on an empty line, not inside the page title or another block. From the menu that appears, click on Table View. This tells Notion you want a database displayed as a grid of rows and columns. Once you select it, Notion will insert a new table on your page with a few starter columns and a couple of sample rows. That's your working database. You can scroll horizontally if your window is narrow, and you can resize columns by dragging their edges for better readability. If you're planning to use this for structured information, Table View is a great default because it's compact, sortable, and easy to scan. That's it. You created a new page, named it clearly, use the / command to find the table option, and confirm the table view to insert your database. You now have a solid foundation you can tailor to your workflow. Thanks for watching. Pause and feel free to replay any section as you follow along in your own workspace.